Do you know how to make report card using Excel? My name is Anyama Stephen. Welcome to my YouTube, and today we are going to look at how to make report card using Excel, and we are going to make it appear automatic. So first let's go to Excel, and because making report card is wide, I already have a template. So here first of all is the pupils data that we need, or student data that you may need, that you are going to enter into the report card. Then you will also need to have a report card that appears like this. This one is just a sample to show you where we are going. The index number will be appearing there. For example, if you choose index number 18, then you will see everything is going to change. Index number 19, you see how things are changing. So this is my call is position 14, and this is his result. um, then we have this one is Dickens is position 5, and this is how he has scored his grade, and these are his marks. So let us try to see how we can come up with a report card which appears like that. A report card normally contains all the three terms of the year, term 1, term 2, term 3. We have already made them in place. Then we shall need the index numbers, we shall need the students' names. All this information you are seeing here are actually from sheet 1 that we could see here. So this is the data that we are going to use for making the report card and completing it. In this database, we have total marks, which is squared here, obtained by summation of all the marks from the subjects. Then in the positioning, is also from the ranking of all the sums. I mean all the total marks obtained by students, and the ranking is made accordingly. Now we are going to have let us try to see how we can make this report card. um, the report card is belonging to, let us make it for term 2. Term 2 is term 2 report card. So term 2 report card is what we are making. Let us assume that this person here was not there in first term, so he has started school in second term. This space seems to be overlapping. We can pull it to that line. Then we have the index number. The index number we can see from this. We have index number, name in full, sex, math, and all that. Those are the subjects, total marks. So we are going to get the index numbers from here. How do we get it? So we come back to this sheet, and we are going to use data validation. Then data validation requires us to go to to data. We come to data validation, and we enter a list of what? A list of index numbers. And where do we get that index numbers? We have to go and find it from a source, and that source is here. These are the index numbers of the students. So we select all these index numbers. We make sure we don't miss out any index number from this sheet 1, and we put it in. You could see those are the index numbers which makes up the list of items there. So when you come here, you'll find index number 31 is there, index number 14. We have those index numbers here, 31, 14, they're all there. Then having got the index numbers, we need to also get the names of the students. The names of the students, we can also go back to the list there. We know where to get them, but we are going to use what we call VLOOKUP. So we put equal sign, then we type VLOOKUP. So what lookup value are we looking for? We are looking for the lookup value for this this index number, and that index number is in, this is J15. Yes. Then we go to the whole sheet. We are looking for that in the whole of this table. We are looking for that in the whole of that table. The row 2 here, it's a seat 1, and the range is there. Now we are going to enter which column do you want to get the information from. The column we want to get the information for the name is in column 2. So we come here, we get column 2, and apart from column 2 we don't need anything. We need the 0 from elsewhere. So having got that, enter. So we see index number 14 is Elizabeth Hope. Let us try to see index number 14 here. Index number 14 is Elizabeth Hope. That's correct. Then what is sex of Elizabeth Hope? Let us see. We can also use lookup, VLOOKUP here. We are still getting J5, and then we are getting seat 1, the whole of seat 1, but more specifically we are going to deal with the column 3. Yes, it is seat 1, and we are dealing with the column 3. Apart from column 3, we don't need anything. So this is where we see that is female. Okay, so all these informations are already entered. Then let us look at the marks he obtained. What are the marks he obtained? These marks he obtained, let us extend this like this. So what marks has he obtained? From mathematics, we begin with the mathematics. In the mathematics, before we get that, let us put again lookup value, VLOOKUP. I'm going to open a bracket and enter the lookup value. What are we looking for? We are looking for index number 14. This one on J5, and then we are getting it from seat 1. Let's say the whole of this is the seat 1. We get it there, but again it's bringing for us this on column what? We're on which column now? There's going to be math is on column 1, 2, 3. So now on column 4. Math is on column 4, and apart from column 4, we don't need any other place elsewhere. So we see she has got 83 in mathematics. Let us see if that is what is there. Elizabeth Hope got 83 in math. So let us get to the next, and the next is VLOOKUP again, equal sign VLOOKUP. Then we are getting J5. We are getting on seat. We are getting on that seat, and more specifically seat 1. Then there is some error. Let us try to do seat 1. Seat 1. We are looking for SST. SST is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on column 5. SST is on column 5, and apart from that, there's nothing that we need. Got SST 83. Then we have another lookup. We have another lookup value for this one again, and the table array is again the whole of this, and again more specifically it is the 1, and here we have now column 6. I think column 6 is now science. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now column 6. It's column 6, and add a 0 there so that it will be very specific. Then close, enter. Then we can go to VLOOKUP equals to this another one. Again we are entering J5. We're entering J5, comma, the table array is again the whole of this. Copy. We get here 1. We get here, I think this now table 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think sounds we did. It's now 7. 7, 0, close. Then we go to another VLOOKUP. And we start again with the J5. We go again to seat number 1. Pick the whole of this. Pick this one. Yes. We come back to seat 2. This one here is 1. This one we have comma. I think it's now we're looking at 8 and 0. Enter. Good. I think we have entered all the marks. So then the next thing for us to check is the position. For the position, we again put equal sign VLOOKUP. Yes, we are going to look up for position of index number 14, which is J5, comma. We are going to check it again in the whole of this seat. The position. Yeah, we're going to pick it the whole of this seat again. We put it there, but more specifically it's 1. Then we come to position in the whatever. I think that is the number 10, column 10. Column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Column 10. So there we have column 10, and then nothing else we need. Enter. So it's position 3. So we can see from here. Now let us enter let us make up the grid, the borders also to be there. Okay, so here you have good. You make the grid. So that is how now it looks like. And then the next thing we are going to be getting will be the what? The grids. So I'll have to get the grids as well. But hope now you have learned how to get the report. And now when we have this, you want index number 22, you can click here and then you can see the changes. Index number 17, you get it here, you get the whole change.